Do you have a word for the viewers?
Howdy.
What's up, guys? It's Wednesday, so it's time to show you what's in the shop. And this week we're starting over at our other location, where behind me we've got a Hummer H2 that we are vinyl wrapping. We're changing this thing from this silver, boring champagne color to a ivory matte khaki green. It looks a lot more military style. Very cool wrap on this. You can see we've done the full disassembly and most of the car is wrapped already. We just have the roof, the front bumper, and one of the other quarter panels. But one thing I want to show you guys on this, the amount of disassembly that has to happen on a wrap job to do it right is almost the same as a paint job. There's a lot that has to come off. There's a lot of parts on the floor over there. And so that's the reason that wraps aren't $1,000 or, you know, some cheap places you see, they don't do the disassembly that's required and the wrap doesn't hold up like it should. So that's what's going on over at this shop. So we're back in the other shop. We're in the tin bay right now. Terrell's behind me tinting this very large Ram 2500, 35, 25 Longhorn edition. Those are cool. Got cool leather. We've got a Porsche 911. This one's here for ceramic coating. That's why we have the top sort of masked off there. We ceramic coated the convertible top with something called Ceramic Pro Textile. So we cover up the rest of the paint while that's happening. We've got a Dodge Challenger Hellcat, brand new from the dealership. This one's getting a hood wrapped in satin black. So it's prepped and ready to go. We've removed the vents. We're gonna do that first thing tomorrow morning. Over here, this thing is ridiculously awesome. Ford GT 2020, there's only like 60 miles on this thing. And it's got a full XPEL paint protection film wrap as well as a ceramic coating. Patrick just finished with it just a couple of minutes ago, so it's pretty much ready to go home. It looks incredible. Yeah, awesome car. We've got a Runner Trd. This one got lots of things. We did in the windows. We did a Ceramic Pro package on the car. Speakers as well. We installed Focal speakers in this vehicle that are designed specifically to work with the Toyota factory system. We've got a King Ranch Super Duty. This truck actually has a full XPEL paint protection film wrap. This is for our friend Mike at Moreau Sign Company in Indiana. And it's back for a fusion coating and also to repair the roof. The roof took on some damage on the wrap, but it did not damage the paint. It saved the paint, so it did its job. We removed the film off the roof, replaced it, and now we're coating the truck. So outside, we've got a bunch of stuff ready to go home. Is this vinyl wrap, Toyota Camry. We did a rose gold wrap on this from KPMF. Awesome color. It's two-tone, the factory black painted part we left alone up on top. We also stripped some tin off of there and retinted the car. This Mustang's here for a Ceramic Pro Gold package and a paint correction. It is fully prepped. It's next in line for a paint correction. So they'll be starting that correction on that tomorrow. We've got a Nissan van. This one's here for a mini detail package. Just a quick cleanup, it's ready to go home. Over here we've got a Ford Explorer ST, and this one got front end protection. So the hood, the fenders, the front bumper, and the mirrors are all protected with XPEL paint protection film to stop rock chips and scratches. We've got a Volkswagen Passat here for an annual inspection, and this Z06 might look familiar from last couple weeks ago, I guess. This one was here for window tint and a ceramic coating. It's back for underglow and an interior detail today. And what's not in the shop today is a couple of guys are tinting a car dealership today. We constantly have a team out tinting buildings, so if you're thinking about getting your house tinted for privacy or heat rejection or your business, please give us a call. Remember, we do that as well. And that's it for what's going on in the shop this week. Make sure you tune in next week and subscribe to our channel. Thank you very much for watching.